What if I told you the biggest security risk in your life is sitting in your hand right now, and most Americans have absolutely no idea it's happening? We lock our doors, we secure our cars, but our phones? We assume they're protected because they feel personal. But security isn't about feelings, it's about awareness. Here's the problem. Convenience has replaced caution. Every tap, every download, every agree builds a digital footprint. And the majority of users never review what they've approved. Not because they don't care, but because no one told them to. In this video, we're breaking down the blind spots most Americans overlook and why they matter more in 2026 than ever before. Most Americans believe their phone is secure straight out of the box. If it required a password once, it must still be protected, right? That assumption is the first blind spot. Default settings are designed for usability, not maximum privacy. Convenience sells. Security requires intention. Most users never adjust app permissions after installation. Location services, microphone access, background tracking. Not because people are careless, but because the risk feels invisible. When there's no immediate consequence, urgency disappears. And that's how awareness quietly turns into vulnerability. Here's where it gets deeper. This isn't just a tech problem, it's a psychology problem. Most Americans don't ignore phone security intentionally. They simply believe they're not a target. I'm not famous. I don't have anything worth stealing. But digital risk isn't about fame. It's about access. Access to your contacts, your habits, your financial apps. And when information connects, it creates value. The real danger isn't panic, it's overconfidence. Now let's talk about daily habits, the ones that feel completely normal. Public Wi-Fi at airports, coffee shops, hotels. It feels harmless, it feels convenient, but open networks expand your exposure surface. Then there's the update later habit. Delayed updates mean delayed protection, reusing the same password across multiple apps. One weak point connected to everything else. Even oversharing on social platforms creates patterns, and patterns are more powerful than most people realize. In 2026, your phone isn't just a device, it's a digital identity hub. Banking, investments, digital wallets, health data, location tracking, smart home controls, everything is centralized, and centralization increases impact. AI-powered scams are more personalized now. They reference real data, names, purchases, even habits, which makes them harder to detect emotionally because the message feels familiar, and familiarity lowers skepticism. So here's the shift. This isn't about fear, it's about strategic awareness. Most Americans aren't careless. They're simply operating on outdated assumptions. Security today requires small, intentional habits. Reviewing permissions, updating consistently, using layered authentication, pausing before tapping unfamiliar links, because awareness creates friction, and friction creates protection. In 2026, phone security isn't optional. It's part of being digitally intelligent.